I looking here the kangkong plant here. See, the kangkong here is only planting in the styrofoam. See the, you can harvest now kangkong here in this only styrofoam. There is also one styrofoam here. So the total styrofoam here for the kangkong is 3. See the kangkong. So even in like this in only styrofoam we can plant kangkong, because the kangkong, if we add in our food, this will be a big help in our body, because this kangkong is more benefits. See, if you eat this kangkong every day, your immune system is become healthy and strong, your body, because if your immune system is very strong, so if there is any ailment will coming, this will prevent, because of your immune system is very strong. Because the meaning of immune system, this is like the hospital in our body, and mostly in the people which is coming old, is also good, because this will be common to the old people is have of diabetes. So you must, if you is always eating this kangkong, you will prevent for you to have diabetes. That's why it's good also. Mostly if you notice your eyes is you have a low vision, so this kangkong also a very big help to you. That's why better to always eat kangkong. If you see also your skin is some is becoming old or too much line, so it means yes, your skin also become old. So kangkong, again kangkong, it's very good. So it means if you're always eating kangkong, so you will not age too much, so you will become always young. So that's why this kangkong again is very important, and mostly in the people, if this is old enough, there is a problem of our bone structure. Our bone structure is not strong. So again, this kangkong is better to add in our nutrition. So that's why also, you know, this kangkong, I heard also and I read also in the Google, this kangkong also have antioxidant. And mostly in the people, mostly the old people, there is a problem of insomnia. Sometimes the time is too much, sometimes coming very deep, the time 12 o'clock, but sleeping is still not coming. So what we will see, this is have insomnia. So if we always eating this kangkong, our insomnia will be less. That's why again this kangkong big help. And also if we are always eating mostly this meat, because this meat is only natural to us, so always eat meat, because if we are always working, and then after that when coming into the house, in the time of lunch, if we have no meat, we are sometimes feeling confused or tension. That's why, but the problem of eating of meat, so we are collecting of some cholesterol in that from that meat. So what will happen, you know what will happen if you are too much cholesterol in your vein. So you know there is hypertension, high blood. So it must be better if we eating of meat, we must add also this kangkong. That's why again this kangkong. And our children also, you know, our children is always touching some dirty things. After that he's eating his hand, or licking his hand. After that, this the egg of the parasite, he also consume or swallowed this egg of the parasites. And after that, you know, those our children, sometimes we see that stomach is very big. So that is the sign of the parasite in the stomach of our children. So if we always giving of this kangkong or this water spinach, because this kangkong is in other country they are calling this of water spinach. So this also kangkong will help also to remove the parasite in the body of our children. That's why this very big help. And you notice kangkong is very easy to plant. If you have buy some kangkong in the market, and then you remove only this young leaves and the young shoots also, and then the remaining you will put only in the ground. Just plant. This is very easy to have roots, and then after that you can harvest maybe every 4 days of like this. So it is good. So if you have something juicy, this is only the styrofoam, and you will see the owner of these plants will be always harvesting with free. And also this kangkong have no chemical fertilizer. That's because if our vegetable we eating have no, if like this very natural, this is very like of our body to absorb. That's why this is good. That's why if you have some leftover of vegetable like this kangkong, you can plant this. Just put only in the soil, plant this, the remaining trunks, and then after a week, this you will see that this coming new shoots, and then after 1 month you can harvest of your kangkong. And also not only because of also if you have a problem in digestion, this also kangkong can help you to digest, because mostly the old people are always problem in digestion. So if you have a kangkong of like this with your food, so the food you will not confuse that if you eat forgot to eat or forgot to control your eating, but with the help of this kangkong, this food will be easily digest in our stomach. That is the good benefits of this eating kangkong. And also if you have a kangkong in your home, so you will be free forever, because you know this kangkong, after this become matured, this will produce of this flower like this. See the flower up like this, and after that this will produce of seeds. After that coming seeds, and then if this seeds touch the ground, and then will be a new kangkong will coming. And so this is kangkong is also a perennial. What is the meaning of perennial? Perennial is automatically growing. That is the perennial. Unlike these other plants, you need to always planting. After that finish, and then all and mature enough, then dry, and then this you must be again planting a new one. Unlike this like this perennial, this automatically, even you are not planting, this automatically produce their own spring. That's why it is good to plants. Oh, this is our video for today. Don't forget to subscribe, new viewer. Thank you very much, and follow our video. Okay, see you again.